a simple pattern to make pant, pajama, palazzo, jeans or joggers. These are the measurements you need. Hold this video and note them down. Take a plastic sheet, paper sheet. Take about 1.5 inch from the side till your total pant length. This length, all the formulas I have mentioned. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I shared these formulas earlier while I was making jeans, pajama and pants. So from the bottom, when you will start, this is the hip line you will mark, and then the hip line size I have mentioned. This red line, take middle of it, mark 2 inches up, this line out. Bottom is also the square line out. Take the middle of this hip line, mark a straight line till the bottom. From this line, mark this is about 3 inch inside and come up like this. This is 3 inch up. This is the box that we made. Now from this line, come about 3/4 of an inch out. Give a shape to the front. This is the front pattern that we are making. The waist is 1/4 part of waist plus 2 inch. 2 inch we have taken for the pleats. While you are making jeans, you don't need 2 inch. But all other pant, pajama, it is good to take this 2 inch. From the side, give it a shape. And this is the knee. So either you can mark the 1/4 of the knee, or you can simply mark 1/4 of the bottom each side and give it a shape. So whenever I show you how to make a jeans or a pajama or pant, I have given all the details with each of the pattern. You can check those patterns. This pattern I am showing you for the reference, and if you make it and keep a piece of it, it will be useful. So mark the pleat. This is 3 inch long, 2 inch from the middle line, and this is the pleat in the front. This is our front that is cut. We'll keep it on another piece of paper or sheet and mark the back part. Take about 2 inch from the hip line, 1/2 inch from the knee and the bottom. Join these marks. When you will be cutting the fabric, you need to keep about 2 inch from the bottom for fold. This is the 3 inch that we come up and make this triangle kind of a line. So we come about 3/4 of an inch out. From the top, come about 1.5 inch up. And from hip line come 1/4 of an inch inside, mark till the up, take 6 inch on this line and shape. Now join from the middle and give a shape like taking 3/4 of an inch from the side of the back part of this pant. This is a simple pant, and if you checked the jeans making and pant making or pajama making that I shared earlier, you will understand the pattern very nicely. It will be very easy for you to make a pant, pajama or ready-made palazzo style things for anybody. So just the back part also, in the middle of it, I am marking the 3.5 inch long dart. That is optional. For the pant, you will need the dart. For jeans, you can minus this 1 inch that I will explain you while I will make the jeans. So this is our pattern you can use, and if you are subscribed, you will get the notification first for all the latest design. Stay subscribed, like and share. Take care. Goodbye.